Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Here on the Solana chart, on the daily time frame, you can see that the price is still holding above this blue Fibonacci support zone we added a few videos ago. The price is still holding support, and I'm tracking two possible scenarios here. In the yellow scenario, we can still get to a new all-time high in this fifth wave to the upside. That's definitely one scenario to watch for. Still what I would prefer slightly, but overall it will be the market that will decide, and it will depend on a few things. So first of all, the wave 5 would ideally be a 5-wave pattern, best I can tell. And the white count could be impulsive. It could also be a diagonal pattern, a so-called ending diagonal in wave 5 to the upside. Yeah, this would be the directly bullish pathway that we can track here in the yellow scenario. Still, again, 360 to 380 is an ideal target range there that we discussed in previous videos. There is, of course, the potential that a major top has already formed. I mean, we've been talking about that for a while now, that visually, and also, I mean, proportions work here. It's just that the ideal targets haven't been reached, but minimum targets have been reached for a 5-wave move up, a 5-wave impulse from the 2022 low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's possible. Okay, that's why we've got this wave 1, because this 5-wave move would be a wave 1. We've got this marked here with a question mark, but that's not confirmed. I mean, if we zoom out, you see all we've got is a pullback and not even a lower low. So it's too early to commit to a major top being in. It's possible though, the risk is definitely there. And if we see this, lower high, lower low, further confirmation. Lower high, lower low. Okay, so it could be an ABC structure, which would be a larger A wave, then a B wave, and then a C wave. So that could take us to $40, $50 eventually, maybe even lower in a larger degree wave 2, more directly. So it will be, in my opinion, this next rally that will decide whether we are in the yellow count or in the white count. So it's now the time to be watching this market, and we'll keep you up to date on a daily basis. Probabilities for this will likely shift in real time because Solana is also following Bitcoin to a degree. I mean, it's kind of decoupled a little bit with this sharp decline there, but overall, I mean, it's still in direction, it's still correlated, especially in this cycle, right? A lot of people say, you know, it all depends on Bitcoin. It depends on the coin or token. I mean, especially Solana has really been following Bitcoin, and many coins haven't. They move completely different. But yeah, this is essentially what we need to be watching for. The next rally could be the last one, but will also decide whether it's the yellow or the white count. Looking at the smaller time frame, this is what I highlighted to you yesterday. We had a first from this swing low. Yeah. By the way, here on the larger time frame, this is the area where I'm watching for reversal here, ideally between $103 and $132. On the smaller time frame, I can always get another low, okay? So it will depend on how the price reacts to this resistance area. The low could absolutely be in. Yeah, so I mark that with question mark at the moment, but the low could absolutely be in. So it will, so first of all, however, so I'll just highlight the pathway for direct breakout. I think it's important to understand that here on the smaller time frame, it's more important to understand, do we actually get some kind of a low in place? Because all we have at the moment is a first small rally, but it's a potential 5-wave move. So that's why I said to you yesterday, with a 5-wave move up, I can look tentatively for higher prices. Depends on whether the support area here holds. But we've got a micro support area to watch. It's between $130.50 and $140.75. This is micro support. As long as it's holding, I would be watching for higher prices, which would be either wave C in the yellow count, which could give us one more low, or in the white count, it might even be a third wave rally that can take us into this area between $167 and $187. So for now, the immediate focus is on, do the bulls hold this support area? We've already hit the support area, could very well break out directly. We've already reached it. I just want to highlight the potential. We could test this area again, but that's just really noise. For now, a break above $151.27 would confirm my view that we've at least hit some kind of a low, a local low, and we get at least one more high. And my view, that's my view, because we have an initial 5-wave rally. So here over the weekend. I mean, these were the parameters for the weekend. They are still relevant now as we're heading towards the weekly candle close. So $130.53 to $140.75 is micro support. As long as that is holding, we could watch for higher prices, yeah. And okay, it might test support again before we go higher, but any break below $130 will likely send us to the next larger degree support, 120, 110, 103. So that's what we need to be watching for. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. And if you're interested in the Supra coin, yeah, you guys voted for it. Not sure if I find actually the poll now. Yeah, you guys voted for Supra. I will upload that video for Supra today on X. So if you're interested in additional updates, exclusive updates on X, check it out. You'll find the link to our X profile in the video description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.